final trip to Japan for work. Came here nice and early to catch the sunrise over this beautiful temple. It is freezing cold. My hands feel like ice. 3 degrees. What we're going to do now is get a few more shots here in the temple, and then talk about what we did last night. Let's do it. Night. Got in, did a hot turn from Arona Hotel, went to Ginza, and I really wanted to have like this prime beef quality sandwich, and I got it. It was just melt in your mouth deliciousness, and it's expensive, but absolutely worth it. So I got a shrimp cutlet sandwich, which was alright, but definitely the beef was the star of the show. Almost missed the last train back to the hotel, but that's alright. I made it. I've had about 4 hours of sleep. I am now going to head to, well, essentially this is a day of last, so I'm going to do a lot of this is the last time I'm going to eat cocoa curry. This is the last time I'm going to have these beautiful gyoza dumplings. That's how you pronounce it. And yeah, so it's going to be in the city. We're going to eat and just film scenes. That's about it. So very similar to the other vlog where it's just a quiet day. Yeah, we're just going to film. So if you want to enjoy a quiet day going around Tokyo, keep watching. Next up here is to have my first of my lasts, and that is Fami chicken. Oh, check it out. Hold on, get some sunlight on that baby. It's crispy, it's hot, it's juicy. I'll miss these. I'll save that bit for a hack in a minute. Another last. The egg sando. I also love just how easy it is to open these things. He says as he struggles. Japan just does sandwiches correct. There's no crust, super soft white bread. At under $3. Now let's do the hack at the other part of the Fami chicken, and you combine. So now, best of both worlds. that combination of creamy egg with crispy chicken. It's what I like to call a family reunion. You know, because the egg and the chicken and anyway, I'm going to finish this last bite of this beautiful combination of this sandwich, and then we're going to head to Shibuya to go to the Mega Donkey, so I can just go and explore and peruse all of the shelves there. Then I'm going to go get some ramen at Ichiran. So come with me as we beautifully enjoy the scenery on the way to our next spot. That means more trains. I like trains. Oh. Mm-hmm.
Arriving at track 1. Please.
You very much get assaulted by all the sounds in here. Got the goods I wanted to get from Donkey, so let's go get some ramen. We're going to miss that ramen. It's so good. Alright, back to the train station. It is now time to take a ride on my last train in Japan. So, I'm going to head there now. It's only going to be a 10-minute journey in the train. Let's just enjoy it. It's sad. That's it. Done. No more trains. I like trains. Anyway, a few more food spots to go, so cue the montage. Should make these in Australia. So good. Alright, last one, and then head back to the hotel. Gonna have a soak in the bath. I am way ahead of my schedule, so I might even get a nap in before I go home. Maybe. I'm back in the room. Call it a day. I've been up pretty early.
only had minimal sleep last night. So I had a great time here. As always, Japan, amazing. I love you. But I'm done. This was my last trip, so thank you so much for having me here in the beautiful city of Tokyo. Had some cool adventures, and hopefully my airline gets another cool destination that we can go to. In the meantime, next few trips are probably going to be Bali. So I'll see you all in Bali, and hopefully you had a good time here in Tokyo. As you can tell, I moved back.